Welcome to the evolution of Woody Woodpecker, 1940 Knock Knock.
Guess who?
Now, wise guy, I'm gonna blow you full of holes just like you put on my roof.
You're not going to pull that old gag on me, are you, son? Do you know what I did to the last guy that tried that? Why, I tore him limb from limb!
1941 Woody Woodpecker.
Yes, sirree, that's me. That's what I'm cracked up to be. I chop a hole in every tree, knock on wood. Oh, well, knock on the wood. So I'm crazy, so what can I do? So are you. You can't do that to me. Where'd you get that stuff? Come down and fight like a man. I collect you and your whole family.
Oh, shut up.
Who says so?
I says so.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
About whom were you referring? About whom?
We think you're crazy. Yeah, you got some screws loose.
Ah, so I've got some screws loose. Well, watch this.
1940 to Ace in the Hole.
So, still playing pilot, huh?
Yeah. And someday I'm going to pilot the Clipper.
Yeah? Well, pilot this clipper!
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy!
Why, you little...
Take it easy, Sarge. Take it easy. I want to fly like the birds.
So, you wanna fly, huh? Okay, you asked for it!
1945 Choo Choo Baby.
All you do is eat and eat, but you never pay a dollar. Now get out for good. And by yump and Jiminy, don't come back anymore. You moocher.
Oh, a moocher, am I? Well, moocher bye to you. He's got a nerve, throwing a guy out on an empty stomach. I'll find another boarding house. Uh-oh. Lonesome bachelor wishes to meet refined lady. Object, matrimony. Can offer fine home and lots of good wholesome food. Phone, Wally.
Ah, there you are, me little love bird.
You're a naughty boy.
No, I'm not.
Yes, Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You are too.
No, I'm not.
I said you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm
You
not.
are.
No.
Yes, you are.
$1,960 billion boner.
Hickory-flavored mahogany. My favorite dish.
I got you, you red-headed termite. You'll not be committing any more atrocities on me fine furniture. So long, Woodpecker. Now, who could be ringing the doorbell at a crucial moment like this?
Are you Terence Patrick Mulligan O'Houlihan?
That I am.
I have a present for you. This is a check for $1 billion.
$1 billion? Begorra, I'm rich.
Yes, indeed you are. However, there is one stipulation you must observe at all times. If you are found hurting, abusing, acting in a pernicious, malignant, noxious, or injurious manner toward a bird, the entire $1 billion will be reclaimed.
Oh, boy. He can't touch me. I've got it made. Congratulations, O'Houlihan, old buddy, old pal, old chum.
Old pal, is it? Why, I'll murder you, Woodpecker. Let you and I be friends, Woodpecker. We'll have a mutual non-aggression pact. Just sign on the dotted line.
The pen won't write.
What do you mean it won't write? It'll write in butter. Just press the button like this. Poor bird.
1966 Rough Riding Hood.
I'm Little Red Riding Hood.
Matter, Red?
I was on my way to Grandma's house when some fake wolf jumped out of a bush and took my pizza pie.
Where is this wolf?
He's creeping behind some bush, sir.
Okay, Red. From here on, I'll take over.
That's what I will do. I will call Grandma. Operator, I want 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
2000 automatic Woody.
Well, just point the remote at yourself, Woody, and follow me into Butterscotchyland.
Butterscotchy finger pies are gooey and they're yummy. When you want a tasty treat, just stuff them in your tummy.
Incoming! Butterscotchy finger pies, here I come!
2017 Woody Woodpecker.
Whatever it was, it clawed me.
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba.
Woody!
Now, as for you two, where were we? Get ready to go commando.
Brilliant motorcycle!
2018 invasion of the
Another
Birdie
beautiful
Snatchers.
But you know what would make it perfect? A piping hot pizza. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. Pepperoni. Huh? Huh? No! Yikes! Every kid's gonna want one of those for Christmas.
There it is. Initiate capture.
This is gonna be fun.
2024 Woody Woodpecker goes to camp.